International Yoga Day, celebration on the 21st of June every year. Common protocol. Yogic practice shall start with a prayer or prayerful mood to enhance the benefits of practice. The prayer is like Sangachadhvam Samvadadhvam Sam Vomnasi Jantam Deva Bhagay Yatha Purve Sanjanana Upaste. That is, may you move in harmony, may you speak in unison, let our mind be equanimous like in the beginning, let the divinity manifest in your sacred endeavors. Practice starts with Chalan Kriya, loosening practices. Yogic Sukshma Vyayamas help to increase microcirculation. These practices can be done while standing and sitting. In loosening practice, first start with neck bending, forward and backward neck bending, right and left neck bending, right and left twisting, neck rotation. Next loosening practice is shoulders movement, that is, shoulders stretch and shoulder rotation. And final loosening practice is trunk movement and knee movement. After loosening practice, main yogasana are started. Asta, standing posture rest. These are Tadasana, palm tree posture, Vrikshasana, tree posture, Padahastasana, the hands to feet posture, Ardhachakrasana, half wheel posture, and Trikonasana, triangle posture. Second type yogasana are sitting postures, which include, first, Bhadrasana, the firm, auspicious posture. Second, Vajrasana, thunderbolt posture. Third, Ardha Ushtrasana, the half camel posture. Fourth, Ushtrasana, camel posture. Fifth, Shashakasana, the hare posture. Sixth, Uttan Mandukasana, stretched up frog posture. And seventh, Vakrasana, the spinal twist posture. Third type yogasana are prone postures, which include, first, Makrasana, the crocodile posture. Second, Bhujangasana, the cobra posture. And third, Shalabhasana, the locust posture. Fourth type yogasana are supine postures, which include, first, Setubandhasana, the bridge posture. Second, Uttanpadasana, raised feet posture. Third, Ardhalasana, half plow posture. Fourth, Pavan Muktasana, the wind releasing posture. And fifth, Shavasana, the dead body posture. After yogasana, next to do is Kapal Bharti. Next practice is pranayam. In pranayam, first one is Nadi Shodhan or Anulom Vilom, alternate nostril breathing. Second is Shitali Pranayam. And third is Bharamari Pranayam. Now, last practice is Dhyan. End the yoga practice session with a Sankalpa. Sankalpa is, I commit myself to always be in a balanced state of mind. It is in this state that my highest self-development reaches its greatest possibility. I commit to do my duty to self, family, at work, to society and to the world, for the promotion of peace, health and harmony. Now, assembly is ended with Shanti Path. Om Save Bhavantu Sukhina, Save Santu Niramya, Save Bhadrani Pashyantu, Ma Kaschit Dukh Bhag Bhavet, Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. May all become happy, may all be free from illness. May all see what is auspicious, may no one suffer. Om Peace Peace Peace. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel, like the video, share to your friends, and also press bell icon to get notification of my new videos first.